Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazmin and I'm super excited to have you guys back. Woo! Okay, so we're back with 2 more hair tutorials. So the first hairstyle is gonna be these twists that I like to form into a headband, and I'll show you guys that as I go along. I've been doing those for years. And the second hairstyle, I have this little topsy tail ponytail in the back. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I create these hairstyles, go ahead and keep on watching. Am I doing good?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yay! And you guys, today I have my nephew Aldo. Say hi.
Hi.
He wanted to come out in the. He's always been wanting to come out in the videos. We'll see. Maybe in the future we could do a challenge. We could do a challenge, right?
Yeah, but why?
So come out. What kind of challenge can we do? But yeah, let's go ahead and get with the video. So the things that you're gonna need are bobby pins, preferably colors that match your hair. So I have these light brown ones. And then you're also gonna need little elastics. So also some that you won't be able to see. Okay, so for the first hairstyle, we are going to make twists all across our hairline, really depending on how many you want. So you want to start at the center and with your fingers, grab a little section, totally up to you how thick you want it. We are going to twist it as far back as you want and grab a bobby pin and hug your hair where it's standing straight up, like I'm demonstrating here. Once you have your hair locked between your bobby pin, we are going to push it down and forward towards your face. This way it will hide the bobby pins and give an illusion. Continue the same steps until you reach the desired amount of twists. I like covering my ears, so I always stick to 3 or 5 twists. So again, instead of placing your bobby pins how you would normally put them on, like for example, I like forming an X whenever I do show them, but in this case, I'd much rather hide them. So you want to push it down and forward to hide it inside the twist. So once you're done, go back and check to see if any twists need extra support, and go ahead and add a second one if you want. And we're done. So here's the final look. This hairstyle is great whenever you want your hair away from your face, but you still want your hair down. And it only took 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, this next hairstyle I like to call the topsy tail pony. So grab 1 to 2 inch sections from both sides of the face, leaving hair down to cover your ears, and set it aside. Go ahead and grab the 2 sections and tie them with the clear elastic. So to create the topsy tail, you want to grab the ponytail and flip it in. Tighten the pony and start tugging out pieces to soften it up. Let go of the remainder of the hair and grab another 1 inch section on each side and repeat the same steps. Do as many topsy tails as you'd like. I'm only doing 4, so it stays as a ponytail, opposed to it becoming a braid. Pull out any hairs to frame the face, and we're done! This is such a fun and different way to wear a ponytail, and I absolutely love it. What am I saying, Aldo? I don't know either. And there you have it, 2 super simple hairstyles that you can use every day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what other videos you would like to see, or if you guys are enjoying the hairstyles that I'm doing now. And once again, thank you guys so much for supporting me. I am really enjoying doing these videos for you guys, so I could hear you. What are you playing? Fortnite? Teach me. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below on what you guys would like to see. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye! Yay!
What were you saying?
I'm still recording. That was rude.